Not working? Is it working? Yeah, it's on. It's working. Hey, doggy. Got the wood for the fire pit. Let's put it next to the fire pit. Yeah. Yeah. Muscle man. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, you see that? That's me. Muscle man. Yeah, I wish I was muscle man. What are you doing, dog? You looking for some gold? There's nothing down here to look for. Nobody over there either. Only the dog, only the fire pit, only the other fire pit. Yep. That's right. La 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 la. See, just take the wood here. See the big piece of wood? And you stack it in there. That's all you have to do. It's so easy and simple. It's not too hard to do. Yeah. Crazy dog. There's my wood all set to go. If I ever run out of wood, I got a whole stack of more wood. Look at that. Yep, got wood there. I got wood there. And I got wood everywhere you go. I got plenty of wood to burn with the fire pit tonight. Yeah, 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 yeah.